No matter how costly graphic card you have or how powerful graphics card you have, if you do not have the latest driver installed, you will never be able to use it up to its best performance. So we will learn how to update any graphic card manually and how to automatically update it, automatically detect what is the best update. So make sure you watch the whole video, and after watching this video you will never have to watch any other video for updating your graphic card. So the very first thing, at the left hand side you just have to do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. So I'll tell you the automatic detect one for all those three drivers like Intel, AMD and Nvidia. So here in display adapters you will be able to know which graphic card you have. Alright, so we just have to do a right click and click on update driver and then search automatically drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, then we just have to click with Windows Update, and it will take some time, like 5-10 minutes, to update the graphic card. Let's say if it doesn't update your graphic card, because how we can check that? By just doing a right click and go to properties, and in the driver section we will be able to get to know what is the driver date. Right. Here you can make sure if your graphic card has been updated or not, and we will move to the next step, then how we can update. I'll mention these links in the description. For Intel, you just have to download the driver and support assistant. Please pardon me. Now you just have to download this driver support assistant for Intel graphics card. Just download and it will automatically update the graphics for you, and you don't have to bother about anything. And if you're using AMD graphic card, then I'll let you know how you can install it by auto detect tool. So it will be there in the description box. Make sure you just run it and install the latest graphics card. And as far as Nvidia is concerned, I'll mention the link here. Nvidia is pretty easy. You just have to visit this website and it will ask you to run the Java, and it will detect the graphics, the GPU, and you will be able to install it. So these are the ways where we can update your graphics card and utilize it gaming. No matter what you do, it will be better, way better than earlier, because old graphics doesn't give good performance. Alright, so if this video is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next useful video. Bye bye.